Hi, Ms. Chu. Thank you for taking the time to view our presentation today. So today we'll be presenting our user experience design project focused on our client for local cafe and pastry business, Brew and Go Coffee. Let me start by giving you a quick overview of our presentation flow today. So our presentation will be structured into several key sections. I'll begin with the introduction, followed by the project background and a summary of our user research findings. Joyce will then walk you through our design concept and the core ideas that shape our visual and interaction decisions. Next, Adam will present our design iteration process, showing how we evolve our ideas through feedback and testing. Hazim will demonstrate the prototype, bringing our design to life. And finally, Kent will conclude with the limitations and future work, discussing what we have learned and what could improve in future iterations. So our client for this project is Brew and Go Coffee, a homegrown cafe business known for its specialty coffee and fresh pastries. Their brand is built around three things: convenient, speed, and great mornings. Currently, they operate two outlets, one at One Jaya Shopping Complex and a newly opened branch at Plaza Merdeka. With growing popularity and customer demand, especially during the peak hours and promotion events, Brew and Go Coffee is experiencing operational strain. Long queues, manual order handling, and slow membership registration have started to impact both staff productivity and customer satisfaction. This prompts the need for mobile application solution to streamline their services and enhance the overall experience, not only for customers, but also for business administrators managing the backend. So from the customer points of view, we identify four key design expectations. First, users prefer a clean and minimalistic interface with readable fonts and a consistent color scheme. This makes the ad feel trustworthy and easy to use. Second, although business metrics like sales statistics are important, customers actually prioritize having fast and visible access to support, especially refund options. If something goes wrong, they want reassurance and immediate help, either through a refund button, live chat, or a clear FAQ section. Third, users would like to have control over promotion notifications. They don't want to be spam, but they still value relevant offers. Lastly, real-time feedback like instant balance updates or top-up confirmations boost confidence and reduce uncertainty during transaction. From the admin's perspective, the prioritized shift towards system control and operational efficiency. First, an issue-focused dashboard that prioritizes refunds, complaints, and failed transactions could be implemented to help admin maintain customer trust. Second, role-based access is crucial as this can limit staff permissions according to their role to prevent errors and protect sensitive data. Third, a smarter user management tools could be implemented like quick action buttons to handle repetitive tasks and reduce workload. And finally, while admin values strong security, sometimes it is stressful that it shouldn't interrupt workflows. So features like trusted devices and adjustable session timeouts were preferred. Moving to the next section, I'll pass it to Joyce to talk about our design concept.
Okay. Thank you, Samuel. Now I will be introducing our design concept. At Brew and Go, one of the key challenges happens during peak hours. When many customers place order at once, the staff often get overwhelmed, and this leads to mistakes like incorrect drinks and long waiting times. Registered member must also be manually verified by the store staff. This issue not only frustrates customer but also hurt the store's overall efficiency. The current system doesn't manage the volume well, and that's why we designed a mobile app to solve these specific pain points. So our design directly respond to the challenge we mentioned earlier. First, we focus on simplifying the order experience, especially during peak hour. We also design clear order summaries and confirmation steps to avoid mistakes. Lastly, we streamline the ordering and membership registration process online to help reduce staff pressure and speed up service. All these choices are guided by real user needs and operational pain points. And then we design two different experience in this application, one for the customer and one for the staff. On the user side, we focus on speed and simplicity. The interface is clean with clear buttons that guide the customer through ordering. We also include a preview step for users so the user can double check their order before confirming, and then we provide immediate feedback on order status, reducing uncertainty and helping customers feel confident in their experience. And then on the admin side, we focus on giving staff more control and better visibility. They can easily update the menu, manage membership, and view real-time statistics. The dashboard help monitor active order and makes decision quickly. All this reduce pressure during busy hour and lower the chances of human error. That's all for me. Next, I will pass my stage to Adam. Thank you.
So thank you, Joyce. Now let's move on to the design iteration section. In this section, we will showcase some major design iteration for user interface and followed by administrative interface. First is the home and admin page. Both of these pages have only minor changes where the tower balance have been moved to the profile page to look more sleek, and the action button has reduced from 4 to 2 as the remove buttons are unusable. Next, on our order and product page, the major changes is we change the search bar into an icon only icon, and it will be previewed only when we click on it. As we receive the feedback with search bar spin on top would make the drink section page looks very packed and clunky. In addition, the color scheme of the drink background has changed from gray to a darker brown, so it matched the overall color scheme and make it more visually appealing. On the order details, we align the selection work page based on the feedback we receive, which looks very compressed between the title, which is the Americano, and the subsection, which is the espresso shot. Next, the card page. The member special banners is in the preliminary design is more towards a conceptual design. However, it appears to be very fragmented from our overall design and even in real world scenario from the feedback we received. So we remove it. In addition, we added the missing amount counter, which the user can add a few more orders instead of one orders, which are mentioned in the feedback. Next, let's move on to our top page. The overall design changed from the premier design as from the feedback we received. It is very inconsistent and not well aligned. Some of the buttons are too slim and their material misoperations especially on the payment method. The e-wallet page is an example for others pages such as online banking and debit and credit card, where on the preliminary design as they are same, they are an example of not well listed and well arranged. Now let's move on to the admin section. On the membership management, we have added an edit feature. We have added edit features in the preliminary design. However, member registration is expected to be an automated features. When the user top up to 30, it will automatically register the member as a membership instead of having the admin to change the status manually. The edit button are removed where the admin can just select the column in the final design and enters the edit section. The delete action is added for extra to remove the records for easier management. Next, same as our job vacancy management page, our edit function and remove function has been compiled into a same page where the icons can be shown in the final design beside the job vacancy, as this can ease the process of deletion and addition for our job vacancy section and remove the redundancy, the complexity when we need to change a certain section. Finally, the statistic page. We received the feedback that the filtration choice is lacking in the preliminary design. Thus, in our final design, we extended our filtration choice instead of just 2 days, and now we have last 7 days and last 30 days for more data for analysts. Now I would like to hand over to Hazim for the demonstration part.
Thank you, Adam. Now I will do the demonstration for our prototype. So basically, our prototype consists of 2 sides, which is the admin side and then the user side. So I will demonstrate the prototype for the user side first. So this is the login page for the user side. So you have to enter your credential, your email, and then the password. But if you don't have the account yet, you can just click on the register link right here, and then you have to fill in all the biodata, and you have to enter your password. Once you are done, you just click sign up. Okay, it will link back to the login page where you have to enter your email and your password. And then once you are done, you can click on the login button, which link you directly to the homepage. So in this homepage, you can see you have the action button, the inquiry if you want to give any feedback, and then the join us if you want to apply job at Brew and Go. And then it also has the about us description about the Brew and Go, and it has the recent promotion, and then lastly it has the current news about the Brew and Go. So for the inquiry button, it will link you to the inquiry page, and you can enter all the details here, and you can choose what type of inquiry that you want to give to the Brew and Go. And once you're done, you can click submit, and then we will receive your feedback, and then you get back to home. And then for the join us button, it will link you directly to the join us page where you can apply job at the Brew and Go. So if you want to apply for the job vacancy, you just click on any button here. So for example, this one, and then it will display all the requirement and all the information about the job vacancy. And if you are interested, you can click on apply now. And as you can see right here, you have to enter all your biodata and upload your resume. And then once you are done, you click submit, and we will receive your application. So that's all for the homepage. Moving on to the order page. So the page is a page where you can order coffee directly, coffee from Brew and Go via online. So if you want to order, you can choose which drink that you want, and then you click on the plus button right here, and then you can also select if you want, for example, if you want the coffee bean selection, you can have it as a dark roast or you can have it as a medium dark roast. So once you are done, you can just add to cart, and if you want to place order, you just click on this cart icon, and then you can also choose the pickup if you want to have it pick up, if you want the coffee to be delivered to you, or you want to pick up your order at the store nearby. And for example, you can also choose the outlet, which outlet that you want to go, and then for example, One Jaya, and then what if you have confirmed all the details, you can click the continue to payment, and then you can choose to pay using your wallet from the Brew and Go app, or you can choose the online transaction. For me, I will just use the wallet for now, and then click set. So you will say like the 9 ringgit and 8 ringgit 90 cents have been deducted from your account. So that means the transaction has done, and you have paid for the drink, and back to home. And then for the wallet page, this is the current. It will show you the current balance, and you can also top up your wallet, so via online banking, debit card, or e-wallet. So you can select the amount that you want to top up. For example, 30 ringgit. So you can choose the online banking. It will show you all the bank that available. For example, my bank. And just next, and then confirm, and you need to verify it, and then return to the merchant page. So you can see the amount has been top up to your account. And for the activity page, it will display all the activity that Brew and Go conducted. So you can also slide it to the left, slide to the left, and scroll. And then for the profile page, you can view your profile, and then you can also edit all your information. And you can also join to become a member. So you have to join if you are interested in becoming a member. You can just click on the member benefit right here, and then you can see all the benefit that you will receive by becoming a member, and it will show you how to become a member. So if you are interested, you just click on the top up, and then you top up the 30 ringgit, and you will become a member. So click on here, then you log in, and then you just confirm, and then once you're done with the verification, and then just return to the merchant page. So you have become a member by doing so. And you can also log out from your account by clicking on the log out button right here. Okay, now I will do a demonstration for the admin side. So first, you're gonna see the login as admin, where you are required to enter your credential, your username, and your password. And once you are done, you can just click on the login button, and then it will direct you to the home page. So here in the home page, you can see there are 4 action buttons. The first one is the manage home, where you can manage the home page for the user side. You can also edit the about us, and then once you are done, you click on submit. You can also edit the current offer, click on edit button, and then you can upload a new poster of the current promotion, and then submit. And you can also delete it. Once you click on delete button, it will ask for your confirmation if you really want to delete it. So when I click accept, the poster has been deleted from the home page of the user site. And then the second button is the manage member. So here you can view the number of user and number of member. So you can also filter them by non-member and as well as member. And then you can also add a new member by clicking on the add button and then sign up. And then you can view their details, and you can also delete them. See. And then the next one is manage inquiry. The manage inquiry allows you to add a new inquiry if you want. And then you can also view the user's inquiry, the customer's feedback. So if you have resolved the issue that have been brought up by the customer, you can click on the resolve button right here. And then the last action button is the manage job, where you can view the applicant for the job, and you can also post a new job vacancy that is available in the Brew and Go. So for example, if you want to view the applicants for the barista, and then here you can view the number of applicants there. And then you can also add a job vacancy by clicking on the plus button, and you have to enter all this detail, and then you click add, and the job vacancy has been added to this page. You can also edit the job vacancy that is available, or you can also delete it. Yes. Now moving on to the manage order page. So here you can manage the menu manage the menu of Brew and Go. So for example, if you want to add a new drink, click on the add button, and then you can also upload the picture, upload it file, and then done, and then the image is uploaded. And then you can also give the title for give a name for the menu, and then you can also edit the ingredient, and you can customize it. And you can also add another ingredient. And once you're done, you just click on the button, and then the new menu has been displayed. And you can also edit the current menu by clicking on edit. So you can edit all the menu title and the ingredient as well. But if you want to delete it, you can also delete it by clicking on the delete button. So you can delete any menu that you want, and it will ask for your confirmation, and you click yes, and the menu has been deleted. And as for the statistic, this statistic page allows the admin to view the number of members that has joined the Brew and Go, and the admin can also view the order statistic, and they can also view the sales statistic. So the member statistic, you can view the member that has been joined the Brew and Go since last 7 days or last 30 days. And as for the order statistic, the admin can view what type of coffee that they have ordered from today or last 7 days or last 30 days. So the admin can choose which outlet they want, which are the One Jaya Mall or Plaza Merdeka. And then the sales statistic is allow the admin to view the sale that has been made from past 7 days or past 30 days or at One Jaya Mall or Plaza Merdeka. And then as for the activity, the admin can add a new activity by clicking on the add button and fill all this information, or they can also edit the current activity, like they want to edit the caption or the title, and they can also delete the post that they have been made. And then for the profile page, only this, it will be displayed like this, and the admin can log out by clicking on the logout button. So that's all from me. Now I will pass the floor to Khan.
Thank you, Azim. Now I will be presenting limitation and future work of this unit. So what are our limitation? Our limitation, we only have a small group of users to test our app. This is one of our limitation. And then since we all came from non-design background, we don't have design knowledge. This is really drawing back when we start our project. The same as the second one, we don't have knowledge for and proficiency in the design tools, mostly like Figma. So this is really slow our progress during designing the app. And then when we start, we don't set the pre-design, like we will use only these colors, these fonts, and the pattern designs, like Aden said. So in this lead to the inconsistent design, and so we need to go back and change every designer's page to be consistent. This is really slowing down our project as well. And then for the app, there are some features that are not supported and really important, like live tracking. This is really important for online food ordering apps user. So they might want to see where their delivery is, if the delivery is already near their home or something. And then sometimes the store might make a mistake in the order. So in that case, they might want immediate help. That time, live chat can really help them. And then there is some features like a user registration, which is really a bit inconsistency with the app to edit, because the store have their own membership like membership design. Like when the user is topping up more than 30 ringgit, the user automatically consider as a member. So this is really a bit tricky to add it to the design. So these are our limitation. Now I will present about future work. So in the future, for our future project or whatever, we really need to learn about design principle, and then design tools like a Figma. So this will help us a lot for our future. And then for membership, we need to make it clear, like we should add features like membership registration manually by members, so that they can know that how they are already how to become a member, and then it will be really good that they register it themselves. And then we might need broader users to test our app, like Coffee Crazy. Since this is the app for coffee shop, most coffee crazy, they order the app coffee online, so they might know which feature is really important and then which feature should be in the app. So we might need more diverse user to test our app. And then like the previously, like I said, we might need some features like order tracking and then live chat to support our user to gain their trust about our app. And then for designers, we need to set a predefined design like a font and color to avoid inconsistency, and then so that we don't need to go back and then edit our app design again and again. So these are our future work. Now, thank you for your attention.